My name is Robert Sanders. I just finished the 100 course at Tuner School. In the 100 course, we go over the basics to high performance. You go over things like nitrous, boost applications, different gear ratios for transmissions, the basics to tuning. Here it's super beneficial compared to a video because, if you have questions, the answers are right next to you. You have the instructors to ask and they're more than willing to help you and cooperate with you. And in a video, if you have questions, you got to leave a comment and hope that you get a response back on, what your question was. Here it's just, everything is simple. The resources are there. The Tuner School is a great selection for veterans because it's covered by the benefits. And if this is a hobby and you take a shine to it and you want to make it a career, honestly, I have fun every day. Like, out of all the schools I've been to, this was the most enjoyable school I've ever been to. I definitely have fun on track days. Track days are amazing. Track days, you get to sit there, race the cars, socialize with your teachers, your fellow classmates, and building the cars too, and putting all the mods on for like the first set of mods, the second to the third. It's definitely great. Good time.